Banana. Fun facts about bananas. Bananas, one of the world's most popular fruits, are packed with flavor, nutrients, and a few surprising facts. Here are some interesting tidbits to share with your friends. Botanical curiosities. Giant flowers. Banana plants produce the largest flowers in the plant kingdom, which bloom from the center of the plant. Technically herbs. Despite their size, banana plants are actually classified as herbs rather than trees. Unripe fruits. Bananas are technically berries when unripe and turn into fruits as they ripen. Nutritional nuggets. Potassium powerhouse. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral essential for heart health. A vitamin C boost. They also contain a good amount of vitamin C, which helps boost immunity. Fiber-rich fruit. Bananas are a great source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health. Historical highlights. Ancient origins. Bananas originated in Southeast Asia thousands of years ago. Global trade. The banana trade began in the 1500s and has since become a global industry. The Cavendish. The most common banana variety today, the Cavendish, was introduced in the 19th century. Fun and quirky facts. Banana Republic. The term Banana Republic refers to a small country with a politically unstable economy that is heavily dependent on a single agricultural product, often bananas. Monkey business. While monkeys are often associated with bananas, they actually prefer unripe fruits. Banana peel slippery. The slippery nature of banana peels is due to a combination of factors, including the fruit's curvature and the presence of a natural lubricant. Banana cultivation, a tropical industry. Bananas are a tropical fruit that thrive in warm, humid climates. Here's a brief overview of banana cultivation. Growing conditions. Temperature. Bananas prefer temperatures between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius. Our rainfall. They require ample rainfall, typically around 50 to 100 inches per year. Soil. While draining, fertile soil is ideal. Sunlight. Bananas need plenty of sunlight to grow and produce fruit. Planting and care. Propagation. Bananas are typically propagated from suckers, which are offshoots that grow from the base of the parent plant. Spacing. Plants are usually spaced about 6 to 8 feet apart to allow for adequate airflow and sunlight. Fertilization. Regular fertilization is necessary to provide essential nutrients. Weeding. Weeds should be controlled to prevent competition for resources. Harvesting and post-harvest handling. Harvesting. Bananas are typically harvested when they are green but firm. Ripening. The fruit is then ripened off the plant in controlled environments. Export. Bananas are often exported to distant markets, requiring careful packaging and transportation. Challenges and threats. Pests and diseases. Bananas are susceptible to various pests and diseases, including Panama disease, a fungal infection that has devastated banana plantations in the past. Climate change. Climate change poses significant threats to banana production, including more frequent extreme weather events and changes in growing conditions. Labor shortages. In some regions, labor shortages have impacted banana cultivation. Nutritional benefits of bananas. Bananas are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offer a variety of health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits. Potassium powerhouse. Blood pressure regulation. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Heart health. Adequate potassium intake can help reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. Fiber-rich food, digestive health. The fiber in bananas promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Weight management. Fiber can help you feel full and satisfied, aiding in weight control. Vitamin C boost. Immune system support. Bananas contain vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps strengthen the immune system. Skin health. Vitamin C is also important for collagen production, which contributes to healthy skin. Nutrient-dense fruit. Other vitamins and minerals. Bananas also provide small amounts of other essential nutrients, including vitamin B6, magnesium, and manganese. Quick energy boost. Natural sugar. Bananas contain natural sugars that can provide a quick energy boost. Pre-workout snack. They make a great pre-workout snack to fuel your exercise. Bananalicious meals, a versatile fruit. Bananas are a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in a variety of meals. Here are some delicious ideas to inspire your next culinary adventure. Breakfast options. Banana oatmeal. Top your oatmeal with sliced bananas, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Banana pancakes. Make fluffy pancakes and top them with banana slices, whipped cream, and a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Banana smoothie. Blend ripe bananas with milk, yogurt, and your favorite flavorings for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Main course ideas. Banana chicken stir-fry. Sauté chicken with vegetables and a sweet and savory banana sauce. Banana bread. This classic recipe is perfect for a cozy afternoon snack or breakfast. Banana curry. Add a tropical twist to your curry by incorporating ripe bananas. Dessert delight. Banana ice cream. Make your own creamy banana ice cream at home. Banana split. Create a classic banana split with vanilla ice cream, chocolate syrup, nuts, and whipped cream. Banana foster. A decadent dessert made with caramelized bananas and rum sauce. While bananas are generally safe to consume, there are a few potential risks to be aware of. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may have allergies to bananas. If you have a history of food allergies, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before consuming bananas. Potassium overdose. While bananas are a good source of potassium, excessive consumption can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by high blood potassium levels. This is primarily a concern for individuals with kidney disease or those taking certain medications. Foodborne illness. Bananas, like any fresh produce, can be contaminated with harmful bacteria such as Salmonella or E. coli. To reduce the risk of foodborne illness, wash bananas thoroughly under cold running water before peeling. It is important to note that these risks are generally uncommon. Most people can safely enjoy bananas as part of a healthy diet. Thanks for watching.